So we're making stir-fry squid with beans, and we have 2 packs of 16 ounces of calamari rings here. We have them right here. Alright, so we have 1 medium onion cut up. We have a pimento pepper and a scotch bonnet pepper chopped up, a tablespoon of blended bandonnier, 2 cloves of garlic grated. We have 2 green onions chopped. We have a 1/4 cup of flour. We have 1 can of dark red kidney beans, and we're gonna have to wash and drain it. And 2 teaspoons of salt. We're gonna mix the salt into the flour. We added black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper to the flour and mixed it up. So we're gonna put the squid on the paper towel and dry it. Like just
that also.
Okay.
And that.
And put it in the flour.
Yeah. You don't put all one time, but take 2. Yeah, put some.
Okay.
And mix it good. Coat it properly, right?
Gonna mix it in the flour. Okay, we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of oil in the pot and let it heat up. So now we're gonna add the squid to the oil. Okay, we're gonna remove it. We're gonna put it in the bowl. We had to fry it in batches so that it would fit on the pan. Alright, so we're gonna put 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Let it heat up. We're gonna add peppers. Gonna add the beans. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're adding the calamari back in the pot. We're gonna fry the calamari for 2 minutes. We don't want to cook it for too long because it will feel stiff.